Hello everyone, my name is Aidar Jumobayev, and now in this video I will show you how to do the how to get the climatic data from for the Basin characterization like this. So first of all, we will need the Quantum GIS software, and we need to import the climatic data. So I will open my directory where I have the climatic files. There are 4 files that I need for basin characterization, and we will get first of all mean basin temperature data. For the temperature data, we need the temperature file from Chelsea dataset, and this file is much bigger than we need, as in the previous video I showed. We will focus on the chunky mean valley, and we need to import the shape file of the basin. So here is the basin, and here is the climatic TIFF file. And in order, if we get the mean data or the statistics mean of the temperature data from this file, we're gonna get the mean for the whole this bigger area, but we don't need it. We need only for chunky mean valley. So the first of all, we need to clip it. How to clip this raster file? We need to click the raster, extraction, clip raster by mask layer, and we need to make sure that the input layer we have the needed raster layer, and for mask layer we need to choose the vector layer, the shape file of the valley that we need, and click run. And we have the temporary file. It's called clipped. And if we uncheck the box of the previous file, the bigger file with the temperature, we will see that we got clipped by this chunky mean valley layer. You can also drag around the layers in the layer panel to make visible only the layers that you want and need. And if we uncheck the box, the layers become invisible for you. So now we can just double click and select the copy and paste this mean value. But sometimes this value is not visible here in the information page, and you can always search for the raster layer statistics in the toolbox, and it will have the similar results, but you make sure that input layer is correct one. Here is the mean. It has the same result. So now we copy, and we open the Excel file that we created here, mean basin temperature, paste. Now we can save this clipped by right-clicking, clicking export, and then save file. And now we can save it like in giving it any name, but I advise you to give as much information as you need, so you could find this uh, for find this file later. Clipped temperature, whatever, Chon came in. But I don't need this file later, and I don't need it now, so I will delete it. So next we need the precipitation data. In the precipitation we have TP underscore BC or RR file. It has the same issue. It's too big for us. We need to clip it. We click to raster, clip raster by mask layer, and we go to the same process, but we make sure that we choose the correct file. Mask layer, Basin, and we click run. I also deleted the previous clipped layer, so I would know for sure that this one clipped is for the precipitation. That's what I need now. I double click, copy, and paste. And now I don't need it. I delete it. And I won't mess up in the next raster clipped process. Next, we need the transpiration. It is ET0. Again, the same process. And now we want to have the aridity, aridity index. I will delete and uncheck the box. Again, this file, aridity index file, is also TIFF raster file, and therefore we do the same steps. Mean aridity index, what is chunky mean value for is 2.24, and we also have the another one, another aridity index that is just relationship between evapotranspiration and precipitation, and we can do this calculation in Excel. Equals, we click on the evapotranspiration divided by precipitation. Here we have another aridity index, and don't worry about the differences between two numbers. They are different because we used different methods and slightly different data sets to get these values, and I would advise you to always use different methods and using different data to verify whether you have right information or not for your research, especially because in the science we always have the uncertainty of what we are doing wrong, or maybe we are doing right, and we must be always uncertain about our data, about our methods, and we should um, always check the information that we have. So thank you, and that's basically all on the climatic characterization for this basin.